Hey guys, this is LBDRP, that is low budget dark research program, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this door alarm system. When I will open the door, the beep will start. Let's see. This is so amazing. So let's see what you need to make this. And a shout out that I am on Instagram, and small projects and behind the scenes can be seen on my Instagram ID, that is also Aditya Ghai LBDRP1. So let's get started. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not. To make it, you need a 9-volt buzzer, a 9-volt battery adapter, of course a 9-watt battery, a DC switch, and some wires. Get ready with your soldering supplies. Get everything ready. Now use the DC switch and connect it with the battery adapter which is going through the battery. So positive to positive, and we will complete the circuit like this. As you can see, I have connected the other wire, and from that you're gonna connect it to the buzzer. Positive to positive, and from negative to negative. We are going to complete the circuit. Then one important thing you need is a thing that like a plug. I took a copper pipe and cut it in very small pieces, and now we can just squish it with a wire so there is more surface area. Now I connected both the copper connectors to the plucker. This is a piece of string connected to two junkyard piece of plastic. We have almost completed the whole project. Let's do the final thing. Guys, this is the ready door alarm system. As you can see, I have put a string with the plastic so that the connection is not completed. But as the string will pull out, the connection will be completed and the buzzer will burn out with beeps. So let's do the test. That is so impressive. That is very loud. You can see I have put on a switch here because I don't want this thing to be running like hell all the time. So thank you guys.